Good morning, ladies and gents. It's John here from Small Cars Direct, and one of our favourite little five-door hatches, the indestructible Suzuki Splash. This is a 2014 on a 14 plate, finished in this nice Suzuki sparkling blue. Five-door practicality, sits on the 15-inch wheels as well. This one's covered remarkably low, 20,600 miles from new. Two retired owners from new as well, so not had a hard life. Nice size cabin, interior cloths are all really nice and clean as well. In the rear you've got a decent side load space, about 185 litres of boot space, and then underneath here you've got some additional storage as well. Rear seats fold down on a 60-40 split if required to increase that load space. Tinted windows to the rear and behind the B pillars, also has a heated rear screen as well. Into the rear, all the cloth interior is looking really nice and clean. Very little use in the back, certainly not had any child seats fitted, no indentations in the seats, but it does have the capability. It's got Isofix on both sides, so you can put a couple of small ones in here and Isofix compatible chairs if required. Into the front, oops, beeping because the door's open. Again, just pan down this driver's seat, just see how clean, and there's very little wear on this bolster here as well. Also height adjustable on that lever there. Electric windows for the front and also electric door mirrors. Just hop inside. Comes with air conditioning as well. Just turn the fan off. And then you can see the mileage there, 20,594. Just start her up. Peppy little engines. I mean, this one's a 1200cc, produces 93 brake horsepower, 4-cylinder, 16-valve engine, so it's nice and bright. You've got the little rev counter mounted on the dash there with this model. All the plastics are nice and clean, no nasty scratches, certainly never been smoked in. 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got a 12-volt socket down here as well, just to charge your phones or plug in your dash cam, whatever you need for. Plenty of storage down there, conventional handbrake. And again, on the passenger side, you can see all the plastics nice and clean. Little glove box in there as well. And CD player, I don't have a CD to test, unfortunately, but I'll just turn the radio up.
150 meg per second. Nice quick. And we'll make the switch easy. Oh, yeah.
Just £35 to tax as well. So overall running costs are minimal. Low insurance group as well. Just quickly look under the bonnet. So there's a little 1200cc engine, typical Japanese build quality on that, and again all looking nice and clean around the bonnet, so no evidence of any leaks, etc. All our cars go through a comprehensive pre-sale inspection as well, so over and above the MOT we're checking condition of various other components, and that forms part of the sales pack. Welcome to see that report before you buy the car as well. If you're interested in the vehicle, then reach out to myself, John, or Alex. We're open 6 days a week, Mondays through Saturdays, for appointment-based viewings. Can also help you out with car finance if required. So just contact us via phone, email, or through advertising partners if you want a finance quote. We can provide that to you. Also have the option to deliver the car as well, offering nationwide delivery. We've been doing that for the last 7 years. We do charge for that service, but we're just covering our costs, and just need your postcode to quote you for that option. If you've got a car to part exchange, be happy to take a look at that. Just need your registration number and mileage initially, and then subject to a visual inspection and a quick test drive, we can agree a value for your vehicle. And do check out the 90 or so high definition photos of the vehicle. Just quickly go around and point out something. There is a little crease on that near side wing. Just see if there's anything else that needs to, and again, it's a little scuff just on the bumper on the front. It's looking nice down there. You've got another scratch on that rear bumper. But the rest of the car's looking really tidy, really fresh in this blue. So there you have it. Do get in contact. Hope you've enjoyed this video. We've got plenty of other small cars. If this one doesn't suit you, do check our website out. Thanks for watching.